kwa boma la Rumpi East. Ndi mlendo wanga mprogramu hii sabata ino muno mu Times Exclusive. Ndikulandireni olemekezeka Kaluwa.
Ziko.
Papita nthawi tisadaonane.
Kwambiri.
Chikuchitika njani tisamaonane?
Nthawi zina makhala busy. Inenso ni makhala busy.
Okay.
Nthawi zina pamakhala zochitika.
Yeah.
Ndifa mbiri malayo. Not all of us can be interviewed on the same week, the same day, the same month.
Yeah.
Pawina kumapita ka period kakuti in the process you will be able to appreciate, you will be able to interview other people, you will be able kuti anthu awa ndi awa na onso timve maganizo nde isakhale kuti ndi radio or kanema ya Kaluwa okha.
Yes,
nde paina kupita nthawi.
Atipita nthawi.
Kwambiri.
Unaliphungwa nyumba ya malamulo until recently. Sizinaende chifukwa chani? Nthawi?
Yes. Nthawi ikakwana imene Mulungu akupasa ngakhale uchitira mundu umwe sizingatheke. Nthawi ikakwananso ngati Mulungu anakupasa koma wina waichita ngati kuisokoneza.
Yeah.
Ndi kuti Mulungu amayesesa kuti kusokoneza period ija mpaka iweyo zakhalenso.
Okay.
Sono ine chimene ndinganene kuti nthawi imene Mulungu apereka nthawi zina pamakhala cholinga chimene Mulungu amaperekera nthawi imene ichi.
Okay.
It's unfortunate to put in the process amene kapena kuti wawina ucha amakhalaso kuti akunyoza anthu aja akuti alephera. Ndi pamakhala a little bit kamakhala ngati ka crisis.
Yeah.
Kena kake kakuti umachita noi kapena Mulungu kapena anthu amene might have voted for you. So I would say ni nthawi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So simunafuna kupita ku court ngati mena uchitira nzanu?
I'm one of the people that brought in multi-party democracy. Ndeno ndiyesese kuti ndionesese kuti democracy is maturing. Democracy is not only you winning all the time.
That's right, yeah.
Democracy is to agree to disagree or to accept certain situations. But the situation is beyond me. And to lead with examples.
Yeah.
You are exceptional, you are indeed a leader, and you accept the situation. Wasa duty yai naka wina. So nthawi zina zimasekesa kwambiri. Mpeza mapisa na foro. Awiri ino mkumtengera muntu wa wina ujo ku court. So pa awiri ino amena na wina so ndindani.
Zona. Yeah.
Mpeza kuti palibe yankho len apart from greed. Kuti nakakhala ine. Uyusa kuti nakakhala ine. Nde ine zimene zijani.
Only greed, yes?
Yes. Nde ine zimene zijani makana zo.
Opita ku court nga greed.
But zifukwa zonena kuti greed.
Okay.
Yes. Thousands. Okay. Ndinena an example of maybe Machinga, is it Machinga Central? Opita ku court anara awiri. Or kapena atatu. Against all winner. So no pamena aje all winner narinda. Winner mena watch number 3 at 1,000 something. Number 2 at 3,000. All winner 6,000. So pa wini pa ndindana ra aggrieved. You see pa uti wasa pita ku court. So accepting a situation is very important because it defines who you are in a society. And how you understand the issues of democracy, especially multi-party democracy in a given country.
Multi-party ya tui, democracy ya tui. Iku kwima, meni mkunina?
Ima karangati kukwima, kwinako, because the players sometimes they are confused.
The players are sometimes confused.
Yes. They are not accepting democracy should mature. Iwo wafuna kuti democracy zikhala pompacha static. To them, democracy is when it all is well with them, but not with the other. So the euphoria that we had in the 90s about change and multi-party democracy has totally been misrepresented or misunderstood. Why am I saying this? It's because in the 90s, we had a different view of multi-party democracy. Many timaenda, and wait a minute, is democracy, you abusing me? You say, is democracy you talking the way how you talk? So in the process, we did not understand the values of multi-party democracy. We misunderstood the entire process, though linear as it is. Now, tikati tuvesesa kwambiri democracy ukhala ngati one step ahead, kinako yukubwerera. Why? Because we have misunderstood the initial policy of liberation that we had from one-party state to multi-party democracy. We have misunderstood completely. We seem to have rejected the needs of the people. We are not responsive to the needs of the people. Now, democracy imene tikuizwa kuti ikomere inendeka. Muzaonaso kuti even ma protest marches that you undertake in a multi-party democracy, amakhala kuti tumwipise winner.
Okay.
We should destroy winner. Also that we should build. In the constitution, ananena kuti protest march ya peace indioroledwa. Marching ikale ma grievances mene anthu muli nazo kuti tukapereka to the authority. And mukapeleka to the authority, you agree terms. Kodi ikhala for how long kuti mutiyanke. That is the protest march that I had in the 90s, late 90s, early 2000, maona ndimapita even kusanjika, ndili military fatigue. Ndimavala military uniform.
Oh.
Yes, maybe you were young. Mavala military uniform, and ndimapita kumene kuja alone. And kunara police church, even an army, another kumene kuja. I don't know, uyu ndindanu you have a military uniform like this. Paka nimafika pa gate sanjika, kwa uza kuti Mulus should understand democracy. In those days, Mulus should not abuse the initial policy of liberation. In those days, now it was more like enhancing my values ya multi-party democracy. It was not a confrontation ijakuti achoke titani nayo. It was more like a multi-party environment where your political grievances and people's grievances can be presented to the authority, and let authority accept and answer subsequently to those values and the request that you put forward to them. Koma pakali pano, data ipanga democracy ijakuti for change of government. Ndikahenda uyachoke basi. Titane nayo. Mibwirani tengani. Some people even advocate to mibwirani tengani. Pamini young constitution sina neno kuti you should agitate army or authorities that are contrary to the values of democracy kuti abwera zateka chite teko. That is now dictatorship or military dictatorship or anarchy. I would say anarchy. Ma protest march in a maturing democracy asakale in a manner kuti pakale anarchy. Kuma ikale in a manner to agree to disagree on issues of national interest, or putting senses to the authorities for them, or in order for them to respond positively or maybe otherwise to your grievances and say kuti akuru zimene mkunena I think muli sense muzimene mkunena. Also that you go there with an attitude of tikachose basi. That is wrong. So democracy, I would say, it may not be maturing in the way that we wanted it to mature. Okay. It's slowly.
Yeah. Tangu bwera kumene kuchokera ku masankho. MCP ndimene inali mboma. Inaluza. DPP inali opposition inawina.
Yes.
We'll talk about these two parties. Kumatiyambe ndi MCP.
Yes.
Muganiza kuti inaluza chifanyana.
Executive arrogance and impunity.
Executive arrogance.
Yes, and impunity.
And impunity?
Yeah.
Okay.
They abandoned the initial values imene iwana bwerera mboma. The objectives that were set kuti wabwerere mboma, one was that munali corruption alleged corruption in Bomara DPP, alleged tribalism in Bomara DPP, alleged arrogance in Bomara DPP, and alleged impunity in Bomara DPP. That was their call for change. Ndeno atalowa Mboma, DPP itachoka Mboma. I was one of the cabinet ministers then. DPP itachoka Mboma. Mumveseto hapa kwambiri.
Ndukumva kwambiri.
Kuti apunzire zimene amanena kuti DPP mapanga, they went even overboard themselves. Arrogance ija anali nayo. Tribalism ija anali nayo. Impunity anali nayo. And the corruption became worse than the corruption they allegedly say with DPP.
Corruption ya MCP.
Yes.
It became worse than ya DPP.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the corruption ya iwo awa, it was a plain theft. Ija kuti awa kuba. Where 3 trillion in ndalama zambiri, 1 trillion akulino in ndalama zambiri.
Okay.
3 trillion 4 months yapita.
It's on record.
Yeah. 3 trillion 4 months yapita.
3
trillion kwacha 4 months yapita. Then the budget ya State House here 67 billion within a month yapita. Then in my budget my ministers ena almost 99% zasoa within some months. Then you ask kuti zapita kuti dramas. Then the process you find that kuti executive arrogance icha iro. No fiscal discipline, financial discipline yachokiratu. Anyamata kulemera muja mwantundu muja. Uyu amavara masilipas nkhwaira uyu. Leroro wa nkhwaira uyu ali akwera dineno kuti beyond reproach, beyond reach. And kanenedwe kake so kaja kakuti akunena zinthu zija zakuti wait a minute. Are we hearing this nonsense? So it was more like impudence yake ija, impunity ija kuti they don't even care about who you are, who I am. To them it was whether you like it or not, this is the way how to go. Now you ask yourself, is this true, what I'm hearing? That a budget of 8.5 trillion could just go within 6 months of allocation for a year, but within 6 months that budget of 8.5 trillion yose jakulibe yabita kuti. In the banks, what is the development? Miseo ya mulilongwe, you are looking at Chinese funding. Bridge ya Lilongwe, you are looking at Japan funding. Miseo ya mbili, you are looking at EU and the Chinese government funding. Now you ask, 8.5 trillion, chimene yapanga nishani, matumba, mwao, anyamata alemera.
Anyamata alemera?
Oh yes, we have trillionaires here.
I know.
We have trillionaires here, we have billionaires here. A brand Banda. People are playing with money. There's money in this, and for us to win back that trust, we have to go and mop out monies that are in the streets. In the streets, there is unnecessary circulation of money. And you find that you go to ShopRite, groceries, you go on groceries empty, because money is more chasing a few goods. So when demand is high than supply, what do you expect? Anarchy. Because few goods with plenty of money chasing a few goods, there's what we call now inflation. Because they cannot cope up with production.
Okay.
Production is not up to the standard. The demand is more and the supply is not there. Then this now appetite kuti pauti muno zikusowa, let us go to neighboring countries. So they go and now kukagwira pa forex.
Okay.
Nde akamagwira pa forex paja kumakhalaso kuhonga, corruption. For banks to give you, you have also to give that particular character something for you to have forex. Then the demand for forex becomes higher. Then the procurement of forex is not there. Chimpurikiti chabwera. Economic depression yabwera. Inflation is even hyper. Everything basi ni chimpurikiti. So and also, apart from these political activities, you find that churches, they have abandoned a prayer to the Lord. It is more like boasting. I am doing this. I am like this. I can do this. If you don't do this, I can buy you. I can pray for you. Tomorrow you'll be a millionaire. So now somebody is stealing, and somebody is also hearing. I'm telling you, Brian, tomorrow if I pray for you, you'll be a billionaire. Uzafuna soto kagwira ntchito. Suti ndipite kwa manager. Then you come to me. Then I tell you, kuti, pray for me. I will pray for you. Komaso muike za mbale. Nenu makagulisa kachani kuika zambale. I pray for you, expecting and more are expecting and expecting and expecting. That being the case, no productivity in a country.
Yeah.
Murichimpirikiti, the production of anything is zero. There's an appetite of buying foreign goods. Chimpirikiti chabwera mzikomo. And that is exactly what Malawi is today.
So MCP inaluza chifanya?
Arrogance, impunity, executive arrogance, impunity, and abandoning the initial policy.
Give me an example, yeah, executive arrogance.
Okay. Executive arrogance, you tell them, you advise them. Izizi musapange. Izizi chitani munalonjeza anthu kuti muzalemba anthu 1 million. Munalonjeza anthu kutazadi yakatala. I'm just giving you examples.
Yes.
Munalonjeza anthu kuti inuyo muzapanga ndi izi, muzapereka maroni. Then you disregard that. You said, who is this one? He's our enemy. So you said, no, I'll match you tomorrow. For you to at least respond to my audience.
Yeah.
Then I take people kukakumenyani, kukukapani, kuchani. You talk to them, they don't listen.
Okay.
That is executive arrogance.
Okay.
Impunity wafika pena pake pajapa kuti chimpwirikiti chakuti iweyo, you don't even listen, you don't even take care of your opinion, whatever.
Okay.
I don't take care of your. There's that euphoria for me to get rich. There's that euphoria for me to. This is why I'm saying, kuti Marai Mono, we have tested leadership. Both educated, extremely educated, and halfway educated, and it has been proved a failure. It's a total failure. And in kunena pano ndupitiza kunena kuti mulibe education in Malaimo. Mulibe. Particular person do all lies. Because you find that you find that this is an educated somebody who told you that there are 9 planets. And you munakoza paka distinction per 9 planets. When it is not true. There are thousands and millions of planets out there. But you munaka cause and the distinction. Audanzero inuyo. Chinchonama. So particular pants ambiriwa, they are pretenders. This is why even your research, you keep on doing research on what? You have to have research to work for you to do research on. I have to have an original research to work. So when you are coming to improve on my work, we call it a research. All these tertiary education, chimpwirikiti, Oxford chimpwirikiti, kaya mati ya kwa America ijakaichani chimpwirikiti, Harvard chimpwirikiti, kaya yare chimpwirikiti, ukwera kumene kuja anyamata wa mitu yao depressed. They come here with very different theories of learning. So hence, my actually saying kuti, palibe education, particular pasi. What is there is sharing depressed knowledge.
So muyaka funsoloti ma president even opunzira.
Yes.
Sana titandize.
Yeah, sana titandize. That's what I'm trying to say. You honored them, you respected them by electing them to be, this is an educated one. Pro. Aliyense afuna kale doctor. Mukati aliyense, the rest is for to be known to be doctor. And amakhala kuzito kumula.
Chimene amalawi ananena kuti sitingapitirire so MCP.
Boza.
Nchiyani muganizo kuti chimene chidavutiratu kuti
they abandoned principles of democracy.
Okay.
They abandoned their promise. They abandoned people's needs. They completely rejected the initial promise that they had. Kuti ife mukatisankha, this is what we are going to do. Instead, there came worse things than the things that they fought against DPP. Kuti tribalism. It was tribalism at its best. Regionalism at its best. And that Malawians detested. And they said enough.
Tribalism at its best?
Yes. And Malawians said enough is enough. You know, Brian, we need a leader in Malawi that is one, flexible, two, visionary, three, a leader that would be able to appreciate your existence, no matter where you come from. A leader that would know your talent. Because the genius is 99% hard work and 1% talent. That's a genius.
Okay.
If 99% of you the hard work, ka talent kako kaja ulinako kaja ka 1% makes you a genius somebody. Okay. Because you produce wonders.
Yeah.
Genius is not good 99% miracles. No, people cheat you. It's 99% hard work and 1% your talent. So if you blend most talents also pamos where they come from Mulanje, where they come from Zomba, Chitipa, no sending Malawi, you blend the talents of that 1%, 1%. Then you add it with the hard work. Malawi, I'm telling you, can develop within a year, Malawi will be a different place. But who is this leader that can inspire? We are yet to find out who this leader is that can inspire Malawians to leave everything, to apply principles of geniuses. Because principles and doctrine of being a genius is somebody is from hard work and your talent. And the talent has no region.
Talent has no region.
It has no region.
Yeah.
You know, success brings contempt in most cases. Success brings contempt. Gene for the support of well-being of a person. Gene of the process of you being put there and demonstrate what you know. Gene of you being supported by the state, by the instruments, by the structure for you to show your talent. And when you work harder, it has to produce results. I have seen you doing that. I have seen you applying your talent and hard work, which today makes you one of the geniuses. Because when you demonstrate things in order to produce results, not demonstrating of things that will produce failure. No, that is the leadership that we have in Malawi. Secondly, we are yet to find a leader that would not look at you where you come from and secretly say kuti ufuna udino wanja papa sanka ministry aine ndufuna energy or ndufuna kapena runs or a leader must have an independent people if he is to consult. Independent people that will actually say alidanga what about if you apply or you appoint this one? Let us see. What about if you appoint this one? Just my suggestion, but I'm not trying because it's a prerogative of the president to appoint a cabinet. Now, a president must be able to listen. A listening president. Listening president in a sense of looking at you where you come from. Looking at you as a Malawian. Not looking at you as Brian Banda from Banda. No. And when appointing you, do not expect that Brian Banda will produce results within 3 weeks. No. Out of consultations, out of try and errors, out of this, Brian Banda would come up with a fully baked something that would actually benefit other people. That's a process of human beings. That is a process that what you are. That is a process of what God wanted us to do on earth.
Tichite break pang'ono.
Ziko mkwambia.
Tibweranso ndi kosekedwa. Ngati mwango tipeza kumene mukuonera ndi program ya Times exclusive pano pakanema wa Times ndi olemekezeka Bambo Kamlepo Kaluwa amene until recently anali phungu wa nyumba ya malamulo, akhalaponso nduna ya boma prior to 2019-2020. Tichite break pang'ono, akutipatsira programu iyi ndi Rainbow Pens.
Wow, I think K-Pitch looks amazing on the door.
The electric blue cuts it for me.
Come on, look at the tango, candy pink, burnt orange, okay, sweet lime.
Do you like what you see? You can dream it and live it. Download your Rainbow app today and begin the magic of transforming your home into a fabulous space. Rainbow Paints. Peace of mind. Part of the deal.
Mukuonera program ya Times exclusive ndi olemekezeka Kamlepo Kaluwa. Takambazani MCP. Let's talk about DPP. Anthu anaifuna chifukwa chani? 2019, 2020 adaikana. Anaifuna pano chifukwa chani?
One.
Yeah.
If you look at Professor Thapita Mutharika during his tenure, Taimena na the president was ziko lino, he allowed demonstrations without any qualms. He allowed the people to voice out, to agree to disagree. He made sure that the people have their fertilizer in time. He made sure that the price of that precious commodity is affordable. He made sure that the price of fuel is stable at 900, 600 up to 900 kwacha per liter. He made sure that the price of bread is affordable to the poor Malawians. He made sure that even the price of paying electricity, these are civic issues, they were reasonable. Cost of living was affordable and it was there. And he made sure that these things are there. He made sure that though he had, other people had all that, more like accusation, tribalistic and the like, but he appointed the cabinet. From Chitipa, there were cabinet ministers, Kalonga cabinet ministers, Rumpi cabinet ministers, Mzimba cabinet ministers, Katabe cabinet ministers, Lilongwe cabinet ministers, Kasungu cabinet ministers. You are talking of Salima cabinet minister, Kota cabinet ministers, Jeffrey, and Alpamenepo. You are talking about Deza, you are talking about Mangochi cabinet ministers, Machinga cabinet, Zomba, Lilongwe, Blanta cabinet ministers, and Sanje Chikwawa mpaka Palombe Mulanje and Tiolo. They were cabinet ministers. So people had that in mind.
Yeah.
Look at this old man. Yes, he is old. People are saying he's old, but he is able to define this definition of Malawi. Because Malawi, the audience are men of Karamene who is a genuine citizen of that country, the Malawian. So Peter had that doctrine. Now, awa watabwera kunazapezeka kuti anthu had hope. Kuti awa apanga china chilima were there, let me his soul rest in peace. He said anyamata organiza boka town. He said mwaona tumba ile zakara 4 point something thousand. So anthu kuti la Peter 8,000, Bagra Chimanga Peter 9,000, 12,000, 50 kg. Awawa kuti 4,000, tizadi ya katatu, azati pasa zalemba. Maybe there's a truth in this. Unazapezeka to the opposite is true. zose zija zakwera fuel 3000 kachani unreachable cost of living chimpwirikiti. Recruitment is done on tribal bases and regional bases. China chiri chonse chari upside down. And to make it even worse, the death of our daughter Sauros Klaus Chirima, mysteriously kuchikangawa. Then people said, wait a minute, what is this nonsense?
Okay.
What is this nonsense that a vice president can just die like that? So the whole country was in a state of mourning, a state of anger, a state of everything, despair, and a state of, confusion. Then they said, who are these people?
Okay.
Ndikuzaona kuti executive arrogance chanimakusa
Yeah.
kuti mukhaura nane up to 2030. Mukhaura, mudia toliro.
Amanunja toliro?
Indeka. Mudia toliro. Masamba uje na mbatata. Mudia toliro. Mukhaura. Game in toliro.
Matero
Indeka.
Waje ntoliro.
Ndakupita ku parliament kupeza kutanyamata kunena chipongwe my girlfriends chimpwirikiti. That I would know. It's better for us to go back.
Okay.
To that proven leadership.
Okay.
That's why DPP had to come back.
Was it amafuna DPP and kapena amafuna Arthur Professor Peter Mutharika?
Amafuna the one. Amena napangisa umoyo wao kutukale bwino.
So it was vote for APM.
Yes.
Not DPP.
DPP and Ranali nayo koma not all that.
Okay. APM.
Yes, APM was a product. Nde amamune nanso wakaramba kachana koma ino panali chipongwe eto. Kunena ngati si munthu badwa kapena mulungu uyu chifa chitani chilimo ino sina zake ukamamva mati is this awawa sobana IMCP.
Okay.
Kumunena Mutharika nde kunalinso chimpwirikiti mbalo wanga anthuso ena mu DPP anara choncho
imsapelo
inde kakamberembere
DPP
inde kawo munakambere ambiri ukukudia kundu akara pazipaso
agwati wako.
Peter is aware, quite aware about this. He's quite aware. Don't underestimate him. He is aware. Ndipo narantu anakarangati pamango akungodia ukuchuku.
Okay.
So anwaja nausa mapangisa so game ya wawa kuti antu akuye nao.
Okay.
Kufuka magura. Back there was this attitude of killing people. Kwa kapandisi kwanje. Kwa tani. Ndi antu amati product ya Peter hii. Anasiya boma osapaka zinthu. State House was as clean as ever before. Kuchuma nasiya $1 billion dollars. $1 billion is a lot of money. $1 billion kwa sira mkofas. Anasira china chiri chonse kuzapezeka. The opposite is true. The euphoria for change mena antu anali nayo ija inatera pompo. Ndi antu amate kuli bwino andara tu. Omwe aja ifetu wavotere. Muli kuti bambo. Ndi amabwera mwakaura. Takaura. Muzambiraso. Yaisi zambiraso. Mukazambiraso ndi zanu. You are reminding people that is hungry.
Okay.
And you say, wakaura.
So those three sentences.
Yes.
Those three words.
Oh, yes.
Anali mawampango.
Kwambiri. Mwakaura. Bwana. Muzayambira. So, bwana. Those three words.
Yeah.
Sentences. The approach was powerful. And imene napangisa, this product is sellable. It's marketable.
Okay.
Product. Ya Peter.
Okay.
Kaya Peter nakakhala kuti sana bwere sana tuluke sana tani. Choyamba maliro Chirima. Chachiwiri, Peter never had that grudge against Chirima kuti mpaka to a point of killing. No. Peter was just a president of the country. So this is the product. And some of us, we wanted for...
Komatinene kuti until now. Tikonze pamene.
Yes.
Ndi ngozi.
Singozi.
Tisatero.
Ya chani. Ya chikangawa.
Ya chikangawa.
Singozi. Ngozi imabwera ngati inuyo mwaifuna. Koma ngozi singabwere ngati inu simunaifune. Ngozi ndi chani. ngozi ndi chinthu chimene yakuti chapangika mwazizizi without any control.
Okay.
Ndamati ngozi.
Okay.
But when there's a control, ndege inagwa manaini pafupi ndi mizi ndi msewu. Then you can notice kuti ndege yagwera ku forest when all people saw it kuti iyo yagwerapo.
Ndisankafuna sana wankule bwanji.
Ndizimene unena kuti sinali ngozi.
Okay.
Kugwa inagwa koma sinali ngozi.
We may not be experts. Pankani imene and me as a broadcaster, I would want to handle kani imene in a mature way.
Yes, and you meet a mature so somebody here.
Okay.
Yes.
Because palibe amene ananena kuti sinali ngozi.
Amanena anthu kuti inali ngozi because they were told kuti inali ngozi.
Okay.
4 days ago kunagwa ndege ku Democratic Republic of Congo.
Yeah.
Kunyenyeka kompalibe amene anavulala. Inanyenyekera atu ndege icho kunyenyeka koma aliyeso mndaliso minister amene panaibe amene anavulala. So pano okay, ngati mkuti inali ngozi. Ngozi iso inavula trouser, ngozi iso inavula shirt, ngozi iso inavula paka kuonesa panty koma munthu wagwira corona. Ndi ngozi. Ngozi iso imavula sapato. Ngozi yavula sapato. Anthu amafa pa garimoto. Mnaona kuti sapato yavulika. Anthu amafa mndege. We have seen all these things before. Koma the recent one ndi ku Democratic Republic of Congo. Ndege kunyenyekeratu koma palibe amene anamwalira. Why? Inali ngozi. Koma pali ngozi zina zakuti isi ngozi. Chifukwa paka pakhale mmodzi wopulumuka in each and every given situation. Hence my at least affirmation kuti sinali ngozi hai. Chifukwa inagwa ndege sina nyenyeke.
Yeah, we are not experts. And nkhani imene ni nkhani yovuta. And I just want us to be extra careful because there are people involved and there are investigations that have been done until something else comes out.
My friend, yes,
until something else, because we have to have evidence.
You know, I'm more careful than maybe you are.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You should.
Yes.
You should.
I'm more careful and more mature on this issue. On this issue, I was quite innocent. And I didn't know anything. And they came to pick me up.
Wala kunyamanga ngudi? Nkani yandege mwe?
Yandege mwe.
Okay.
Kuti ineyo ndikunena kuti chilima sana fike kumzuzu. Pamene I didn't know anything. Kuti so ndege yako. I didn't know. I'm a victim.
Okay.
Ineyo.
Okay.
Paka pano telefoni yanga sana ndipasi. Since last year paka pano telefoni yanga sana ndipasi. Anabwera ku nyumba bwino wake ndi ma CCTV. Recorded kupanya zinthu mu nyumba. Took so many precious issues mu nyumba. Ananditenga from here amafuna kupita nana kuzomba. From Zomba ku Mwanza Lilongwe kuna Tenje, kuna Mitete. Kuna Mitete nakagona kumene kuja. In a very I cannot describe the room that I was put in. Solitary confinement. From there they drove me to Rumbas. Rumbas naona minister akubwera usiku akuti Baraka nali pompano. Tasimikizira ifeyo kuti he will be safe. Achoka pompano. Koma the minister came there. Kuzafusa zaine usiku. Nde ine nakafamene je nakakhalasongozi. Anakanena kuti awazimangirira kapena iye kapena chanchana. So I am being very careful here. And I approach this with maturity.
Yeah, you should.
Yes. And my phone was part of that ngozi. Chifuka nanitengera paka pano. I was arrested because of that ngozi. Mpaka leo.
Akuti munalakwa chani?
Akuti ndi manena akuti ndege sina kafike kumuzuzu, ndege yagwa. Agwesa ndaboma. Koma zimene zinde sina nene. Later on, after torturing me for 5 good days, sana pite nane ku court. 5 p.m. kandi pita polisi kuja kukandi masula. auti zipitani nati apo nala kwachana kuti basi zipitani
simapita kote
it was just a song. So ineyo ndikamanena pano I speak with maturity, I speak with conscience yakuti I'm part of the victim of that ndege kaka mamamvesa
ndokunda kumba
pamene ineyo I was not part of
andineso ndikupe mphani kuti maturity imene muionetse.
Yes,
because pano pa television.
Yes.
So tinafika kumeneko.
Yes.
Why people voted for DPP?
Because this was a proven leader or leadership that had patience, that knew the norms and values of democracy, that did not promise people heaven and earth, that did not actually torture people, that did not arrest. Yes, I was in the process of Professor Peter Mtarika leadership. It was claimed that people said nampeza pakwasha hapo atango kara wazimangirira. Sometimes people talk with ignorance. Anyway, there's a beauty in ignorance because it's very beautiful. Ignorance is very beautiful. You live in a world of fantasy. You know what I'm trying to say here is, ignorance is beautiful. No, ignorance is beautiful. It was out total ignorance in the country, and the so-called educated people, they believe that Pharisees, that is. Ninapezeka pamene paja woyamba kufika nali mtorankani wanu I had uje ni janali ya mlamu wanga ija na varas kumba hata nduna ununjenjemera mlamu wanga by the name of Simon Squese wapa kachere ndamena nanipasa uje ni that ija na vara ija akuti at least ndukumva kutenda ndana ati sama students sanga mpaka polisi abwere kama investment koma antu nali nduje ni nali ndisa na sambe koma antu pauti pa picture naona ngati kuti kapena ndasamba chana antu anayamba kunena zawo but that is beside the point. Peter in his office time never had the way how these people were in during the office time ya Chakwerawa. And two, anayamba so gule one naso zoipa zaiwa nali the second first vice president ata msanga woka mulikatanga letu paka umlanda galimoto kuna chimpwirikidi. So Peter was an exceptional leader amongst those who stood for presidency or for being candidates for presidency in the country. Hence the choice of Professor Peter Mtarika.
Abange banje zinthu zawo at DPP.
A DPP must remember where they are coming from. DPP must embrace the speech that Professor Peter Mtarika said when he was sworn in. He said Malawi is for everybody. DPP must take that into account. That now I call upon each and every Malawian to work with me and do something for the good of this country. They should take that seriously because people heard. It went to people digested, people analyzed that speech to say this is a speech that is building. It is a speech that is indeed showing our choice, but not quite contrary to that speech. That means now people will be asking, who is leading? The professor that called upon all Malawians to work together, and the leadership that is being demonstrated, that at the end of the day, they have even forgotten those people who were forefront fighting for him, our president, to be what he is and where he is today. Despite all the drama that was there, these people stood with him. Most of you guys, you defied the norms and you started projecting, like yourself and others started projecting a true spirit of choices. Kuti people that have got preferences and choices, despite kutantuena koza kunena zinto za chipongwe. And indeed, that is the spirit. Indeed, that is the way how to go. Peter must be assisted at all odds. He has to be assisted, and I'm telling you, there are big things that are happening. There are big things that are coming that Professor Peter Mtarika is doing. But there are people, just imagine some of them were appointed the cabinet ministers. They went kuma constituencies kwawo ena kukachita celebrate the appointment as a minister, castigating their fellow people, some of the members of DPP that may not have made it to cabinet, kukachita castigate war. That is now running contrary to the spirit of Peter appointing you as a cabinet minister. So Peter has something good for this country, believe you me. And big things are coming. Big and exciting things are coming. Fewer will be chimpurikiti maraimo. Panopa ino kuti muendese galimoto yanu ndikuzopita Nyambaro filling station mkazazi chani zamba kubwera. We'll have problems in the process, but we are rectifying. And believe you me, very shortly all this shall be a thing of the past. I don't say things for the sake of good and pleasing you or Malawians. No, I know what I'm doing. But they should always listen to the spirit of the president when he said, no tribalism, no nepotism, no sectionalism, no regionalism.
Zikoza kuteka kuti president wanena kuti no tribalism, no chakuti wina kumapanga.
Yes, because these are enemies of a true democracy and the weight of the spirit of the president. You find that professor can appoint me as so. Mpezeni ukapanga zinthu kuja, quite contrary to the spirit that the professors appointed me for. Okay, I'll give you an example. The president maybe has appointed me maybe as director general of MACRA or director general of ESCOM. I'm just giving you an example.
Yeah.
Or director general. Then you pita kwa ESCOM buja. That president what he wanted me to do. Kuti zichira basa tumbuka kwa secretary mtumbuka chani pension engineer mtumbuka chani ndekuti ndikupanga zimene ya president amafuna ngai. Quite contrary. Tufuna kuti those who are appointed must adhere to the spirit of that appointing authority. Kuti mkapange chakuti osati zanu hai. That's why he's demanding a written report every month.
Ndale Masia, basi?
I wouldn't say kuti ndale ndasiya. Mundu wa ndale tamafanayo tu. Paka kufa kwake amaklabu wa ndale. I'll tell you kusaira okunsanji. He failed as a member of parliament. He went to Malawi Electoral Commission. He left Malawi Electoral Commission not because he was dismissed, but he had the conscience of serving the people. Today he's back in parliament. Patricia Gariati. He failed 2019. She failed 20. Sorry, thank you for correcting me. She failed 2019, but today she's back in parliament, very productive. So there are people that did not make it in 2019, but today they're in parliament. So failure is more like a recorrection, and for you a refresher, for you to say, oh, I failed because of this and that. So it tells you a story of the future. So to me, success, coming back to that, brings contempt in so many cases. Therefore, and also they are nothing. No, things can turn out in the way that sometimes you don't expect. So yes, I failed this time, but who knows? Tomorrow is for the Lord God Almighty.
Tomorrow is for the Lord
God Almighty, the Holy One of Israel. He knows determination. He knows in the Morungu. I might say I'm coming back when I may not reach 2030.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, so everything is in the hands of the Lord God Almighty.
Ndikufuna ndikuthokozeni titakuita nani kuti mubwere mwatilemekeza kwambiri. Mwina muli mawu maliza muyangane kamera.
My appeal is to you people. This country is for you. This Malawi is for you. When the president is telling you to do certain things, respect the appointing authority. People have talked a lot about Gangata. Gangata was just expressing his opinion as a state, as a minister, as well as the president of DPP Central Region. To say, Malawians, we should remember where we are coming from. Malawians, let us remember the people that helped us. He, yes, went overboard, but to err is human, to forgive is divine. And to me, we cannot dwell on the mistakes that he might have committed in the eyes of other people. But to me, we should dwell on what Gangata is and what he has done per Central region to make DPP popular again, to make DPP a party, something to fight on, something worth it. So I would say, bravo, each and every opinion that is against or for the smooth running of multi-party democracy in the country.
Ndikufuna ndikuyamikeni kachiwirinso olemekezeka Bambo Kamlepo Kaluwa. It's nice to see you.
Oh yes.
Pamene panso ndiye pamapeto a program yathu madzulo ano ya Times Exclusive. Program hii ndali ndi a former minister komanso a former MP Kamlepo Kaluwa. Nine Brian Banda kufikira Sabata ya mawa pamene tibwerenso ndi mulendo wina. Tinguti mwakumanonse and goodbye.